Artoonza.
Hey there, future fruit artists. Have you ever wanted to make a watermelon so juicy, so sparkly, so absolutely dazzling that it looks too pretty to eat? Well, guess what? Today's the day. But wait, this watermelon is more than just red and green. We're adding glitter nail polish. Shh, don't tell my mom. Get ready for a juicy art adventure. And let's get drawing before this watermelon rolls away.
Aw, so cute.
Give us your like. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red. Let's color together. Green. Yellow. Black glitter nail polish for watermelon seeds? I think they're feeling fabulous today. Color. Give us a big thumbs up. Mix it up. Color.
Aw, so cute.
This is so amazing. Mix it up. Color. Oops! I think I made this watermelon too delicious. Anyone got a snack emergency? If anyone asks why there's nail polish everywhere, let's just say art happened. Yummy. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.